What a day. Hiya, good day. What's up? How you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're streaming from. Before I actually hit the chat, because I love going straight to the point, but I would love to say something about our trading plan. Sometimes I feel we tend to make it so difficult on ourselves about this whole trading thing. We've actually done our research, back tested, and did all the groundwork. Then the application, we find it very difficult in applying what we've actually studied, the data we've actually collected. Because what I tend to notice is that we tend to bring our trading plan, our trading style to all kind of market conditions. Because I've observed that, okay, we're actually backtesting, and when you tend to backtest, you tend to click, just tap the forward button so you can actually go through 1 week, 2 weeks without taking trade. But since you're backtesting, since you're just clicking, you think that, oh, it's just like few hours or few whatever. But coming to the live market, when the time is actually there, the time that, okay, you're not taking any trade, this is not your market conditions, but we want to force our setup to appear. But when we're backtesting, that period we can actually click through the consolidating period in backtesting. But in live markets, because of that urge, oh, I must take a trade, I'm the impatient, we want to make you apply your trading plan in that particular market condition, which is not high probability. So with that being said, I would say one of the main factors that will keep hitting in any of my videos is the ability to sit and fold your hands while you just watch price action. Ability to sit, fold your hands without clicking buy or sell. That will literally help you a lot. We actually make you see a whole lot in your chart, and will tend to make you see your chart differently. And one more thing I want to say, as this stuff actually happened to you, whereby you want to you wake up, enter your desk and open the charts, then you will tend to see your setup in front of you, but you'll be hesitating to click buy or sell. If that's actually happened to you before, it's not new, it's normal. It tends to happen to everybody. But one thing I've noticed that tends to help me is good preparation before going to the market looking for your setup. When you tend to do your pre-market analysis, do whatever you want to do, preparing before you start entering the market to want to look for your trade or stuff. When you tend to do lots of preparation, it gives you the confidence. When you see your setup, it gives you good confidence to click it out by yourself. It has been helping me, and it helps me. So I will urge you guys think about it and try and apply it to your routine. If you're finding it difficult by yourself, unless you're seeing your setup appear in front of you. So with that being said, I'm going to hit the chart and see what actually played out this week. So this is like last week I told you guys that I'll be looking for lower prices in US dollar. Let me do this well. Okay guys, last week I said we're looking for lower prices in US dollar because the market is consolidating. So I would say if market should close below this consolidation, I want to look for price to come into this bullish candle here, then look for rejection, then lower prices. What market did was market actually went up and it came to this fair value gap, of which I'm not expecting it to come to double. Is the market, you just predict and just react to what price does. So when market came on this day, on a Thursday, this was, I guess, CP high. So I missed a trade. I missed a trade on Monday. I missed a trade on Thursday. But the second entry, I entered on the second entry, which was profitable, which was profit. This Monday, is it Monday or Tuesday? Either Monday or Tuesday. The one I tend to miss, I gave the signal on my. It's not like my Telegram group. There's just like group of friends who are just there trying to build career out of this trading stuff. So I dropped the signal that okay, this is what I'm looking for. Some people took the trade, some didn't. One was a break even, one was a win. So if I had taken this trade and this one, it would have been like 4 hours for me this week, but I didn't take this one. I missed both trades this day. Missed one on Thursday, and we took another trade on Thursday. So I'll just give the trade breakdown, what I did for Euro USD. I took the trade on Euro USD. So since my narrative on dollar is bearish, then definitely I'll be buying Euro USD. So I'll just come back and put it here and walk you guys through what I was looking for. So if you come to the 4-hour time frame, sometimes when price come into your PO high, it's very okay for you to go, like, just walk time frame below. Don't just jump down to your 5 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame looking for entry. So this was what I actually did mark on the 4-hour time frame, this fair value gap. So if you can see now, yeah, if you come to the 1-hour time frame, some people would want to take this fair value gap, displacing out of this daily fair value gap and breaking structure over here. But these days I will tend to wait, because you see this candle entering inside the fair value gap and this other candle sweeping this candle high, coming down into this fair value gap. I will not want to take this first trade. I want to wait for more confirmation for me to look for buy. As you can see, this resulted to us loss. I didn't take the trade though. So what market did, market closed above this high over here, break of structure again, but there was no fair value gap, so I'm still sitting on my hands. So what actually happened was, market was going this way and I did mark out this low here, waiting for the market to sweep before I want to be looking for higher prices. So what the market actually did, market swept, then I went to my, this is my 5 minutes, yes, this is my 5 minutes time frame. 5 minutes time frame, this is the fair value gap coming from this liquidity sweep, CPI candle, and I was looking to take a trade from here. The trade I wanted to take was this 1 minute. You see these lows, the sweep of these lows. Let me draw it out so you can see it very well. See that market swept this low and broke structure here. This would have been an entry, this fair value gap, market coming to the fair value gap, then I look for an entry. But since market didn't give me the entry, this was the one I missed. Going back to my 5 minutes time frame, this was the one I actually took, which was low probability. The reason why I said this was low probability, because market actually came to our target already, this previous daily high. Our market is coming from previous daily high. This can act like a liquidity sweep, then lower prices, but I was like, okay, let me just take the risk because the momentum is still there. So I went down to my 1 minute time frame. I went down to my 1 minute time frame, and this was what I was actually looking for, a sweep, break of structure, and I'll take the trade. So as you can see now, it's like same thing that happened before. This was the sweep here, and this was the break of structure over here. Then I just took the trade on here and targeted 2.3 high. Market, when market nearly came, because when market was giving me these higher prices, I placed my break even over something below this low, something like that. I'm going to put down the screenshot from my MT5, sorry. I'll put the screenshot above so you can see what I'm talking about. Market nearly took me out here for break even. I was supposed to scale in here, but I didn't scale in, and from there market went directly to my take profits, which is 2.3 over here. So this was literally the trade I took, and hopefully next week we're looking for better trade as well. We're looking for better trade next week, and I'll keep updating you guys on what I'm doing and how I'm trading and everything. As you can see, I'm actually taking time. To select my trades, because I don't like low probability trades. Sometimes the mental game is very strong, holding through, and sometimes you're seeing losses. It's very strong. If you see this is my dashboard now for the 5 hours. But you click on the accounts now, so you can see this is the curve, the equity curve. I was once in drawdown, now out of drawdown, we're still climbing. So we hope next week we go higher. As you can see, I've taken lots of break-even trades, because I've taken 11 trades in total. Profit trade 6, loss 5. These 6 trades, there are lots of break-even here. So the whole what was it called? The win rate 54. It's not actually 54. I think it's lower than that. So with that being said, this is actually the video for today. Then going to update you guys same time next week, and we'll see how it goes. I want to try as much as possible to shoot some videos on Monday, tomorrow, and on Tuesday for my weekly forecast, what I'm looking for the week and stuff. And I want to try and incorporate something as well, whereby I want to be screen recording my charts when I'm actually trading and posting it as well, so I can walk you guys through the whole process. And it is what it is. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's try and grow the channel together. Thanks.